let y'all know. Another reason I'm doing this video is just like a small update, but some great news to announce with the company that I'm running and also the team I'm rolling with. ReSiient Sounds Taramps, they link together like a little partnership type of thing to basically offer package deals. So for guys that's interested in running, this brand, you can actually get great power to go with this brand by just getting on the website. Oh yeah, the website is official. It's up and running.
Throwing that cheese like pepper.
'Cause I'ma make you